Understanding electricity is crucial, especially when it comes to the power of voltage. Voltage is a fundamental concept in the world of electricity, and it plays a vital role in how electrical systems operate. Without a proper understanding of voltage, one cannot fully grasp the intricacies of electrical circuits and systems. Electricity is a powerful force that powers our homes. It lights up our rooms, powers our appliances, and keeps our devices running. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, electricity is an integral part of our daily lives. It's important to understand how it works. Knowing the basics of electricity can help us make informed decisions about our electrical usage and ensure that we are using it safely and efficiently. Voltage is like the pressure of electricity. Just as water pressure pushes water through pipes, voltage pushes electrical current through wires. The higher the voltage, the more forceful the push. It can be dangerous if not handled properly. High voltage can cause severe injuries or even be fatal. That's why it's essential to respect the power of voltage and take necessary precautions. Testing for voltage helps us stay safe. By using voltage testers, we can determine if a circuit is live and avoid accidental shocks. This simple step can prevent many accidents. Always be cautious when working with electricity. Safety should always be the top priority. Wearing the right protective gear and following safety protocols can make a significant difference. We use voltage testers to see if there's live electricity flowing. These tools are essential for anyone working with electrical systems as they provide a quick and easy way to check for live circuits. This helps us avoid dangerous shocks. Electrical shocks can cause serious injuries, so it's crucial to take every precaution to prevent them. It's like checking for hot water before you put your hand under the faucet. Just as you wouldn't stick your hand under scalding water, you shouldn't work on a live electrical circuit without checking it first. Always use caution and the right tools when dealing with electricity. Using the correct tools and equipment can help ensure that the job is done safely and effectively. Remember, safety first. Not all voltage testers are made the same. For basic home use, a contactless tester is a good choice. These testers don't directly touch the wires. They sense voltage from a distance. Look for a tester with clear markings and easy-to-understand instructions. Make sure it has fresh batteries for accurate readings. A good quality tester will last for years. Remember, this is about your safety, so invest in a reliable tool. Before you start any electrical work, safety is key. Always turn off the power at the circuit breaker. Don't rely on just flipping a switch. Double check that the power is off. You can use your voltage tester to confirm. Wear safety glasses to protect your eyes. Never work on electrical systems if you are wet or standing in water. If you're unsure about anything, it's best to call a qualified electrician. Section 4. Step-by-step guide. Testing voltage with confidence. In this section, we will walk you through the essential steps to ensure you can test voltage safely and effectively. Now that you have your tester and you've taken all necessary safety precautions, let's proceed to test for voltage. Remember, safety first. Hold the tester away from the wire or outlet you want to test. This initial distance ensures that you are not in immediate contact with any live electricity. Slowly bring the tip of the tester closer to the wire or outlet. Be cautious and make sure not to touch it directly. This gradual approach helps in detecting any voltage without risking a shock. The tester will light up, beep, or vibrate if it detects voltage. These indicators are designed to alert you immediately to the presence of live electricity. This means there is live electricity present. It's crucial to recognize these signals to avoid any potential hazards. If there's no light, beep, or vibration, it indicates that the tester has not detected any voltage. The circuit should be dead. However, always proceed with caution and never assume the circuit is completely safe without further verification. Always double-check to be sure. It's a good practice to test multiple times to confirm the absence of voltage, ensuring your safety before proceeding with any electrical work. Section 5. Reading the signs, interpreting your tester's results. Understanding what your tester is telling you is crucial. A light, beep or vibration means there's live electricity. This means danger. Do not touch the wires or outlet. If the tester doesn't react, it means there's likely no voltage. However, this is not a guarantee. Always proceed with caution. Sometimes a weak signal might not be detected. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. Section 6. When in doubt, call a pro. Knowing your limits with electrical work. It's crucial to understand that while some tasks may seem simple, they can quickly become complex and hazardous. A contactless voltage tester is a great tool for basic checks. It helps you identify if an outlet or wire is live without direct contact, adding a layer of safety. However, it doesn't make you an electrician. Understanding the intricacies of electrical systems requires extensive training and experience. If you're unsure about anything, always call a qualified electrician. They can diagnose issues accurately and provide solutions that ensure your home's safety. They have the knowledge and experience to work safely with electricity. Their expertise minimizes risks and ensures compliance with safety standards. Electricity is powerful and can be dangerous. Mishandling it can lead to severe injuries or even fatalities. Respect it and take all necessary precautions. Your safety is paramount. Always use the right tools and wear appropriate safety gear. Remember, when it comes to electricity, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Consulting a professional can save you time, money, and most importantly, keep you safe.